Hi guys, welcome back Petrolheads. I hope you are doing great. So today a quick video. We will be working on some car and I will be giving you some updates. As you can see, my brother bought a press, so we'll be able to hold a press conference. So that's good. Today we'll be working not like on engine, we'll be just detailing and cleaning the car. So this is an Alfa Romeo Giulietta. So this is not my car. My friend bought it for his mom. He bought this car. I helped him pick it up, and we just tested it. So basically this is 1.4 170 horsepower TB engine, so this is quite powerful engine for such a small car, and it has a very beautiful color. So it's a 2013, end of 2013. It's a really nice car, really nice spec. And of course, as it is with a car that you just bought, we need to clean it, detail it. Let me just take the seat inside. So basically we did a little bit of the maintenance on it. Unfortunately, I think this car was run on official Alfa Romeo specifications, in this sense that, yeah, as you can see, it's dirty. In this sense that when we took out the oil filter, it had the date, it was genuine, but it had the date of 2018. So I think someone was driving for 30,000 kilometers and then changing the oil. This is absolutely unacceptable on this engine, and frankly on any kind of an engine. Just change your oil every 10,000 kilometers. So we changed the oil, we changed the oil filter, we changed the air filter, we changed the cabin air filter. I will show you the picture how it looked like. I think it was there from the very beginning of the car. And the car runs much more smoothly. Now we will clean it up. We will try to make it shine as much as we can and as much as this car deserves, because let's face it, it's a really nice car. Nowhere to be found, but I keep looking for it. I don't know if the camera will show the difference, but now this car looks proper clean. So the leather is no longer shiny. I think if the leather is like, you know, clean, it shouldn't be shiny, it should be like matte. It should have like a matte, I don't know, flake to it, let's say. Yeah, so let me just show you. And yeah, this is how the car, how clean it is, that I don't want to put my shoes in it. Here as well. Yeah, and do you remember this one, this guy? Yeah, so I polished it. It's beautiful right now. This is a really, really nice car. Okay, let me just get into the garage. Okay, beautiful. That would be it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of a random video. Recently it's been difficult to put like a more concise video together because lots of things been happening, right? So I have been working on the 159, as you've seen on the post. We have this car. I have been all over place with the cars. My 156 still needs to be put away, let's say, and just like, you know, I need to change the brake fluid, I need to weld a little bit of the floor in. This is going to be my first time I will be learning that, so that might be interesting. I hope it will work, and most importantly it will be like a quite good solution and will stay there and not rot in like 3 months or so. I will be painting the brake calipers. So yeah, so there will be quite a lot of work on 156. I still need to do small things on 159. We have an issue with the rear parking sensor, right? One of them is not connecting, but when the car is standing in direct sun and it heats it up, then it connects and it shows everything is okay. So I think this is just the issue of the connection, so I will take the bumper off and check it out. I hope I will record a video of that. Still, there's quite a lot of things from the Nürburgring, like the laps. I would like to put together the entire video from the entire trip, but I would like to do it as good as possibly as I can, as my lack of skills allows me to. So probably this video will take some time to do and to create, so I wouldn't, yeah, I think probably it will be on the channel somewhere around September or October, probably. Of course, the laps will be coming in the meantime. I don't want to overexpose you to the Nürburgring experience because I know it also can get boring. I also have one last video of working on 156 when I was preparing for the tour to the Nürburgring. So, like, you know, quite a lot of videos, quite a lot of things to put out. So yeah, it's good. I'm happy that many things are happening because I have some content to shoot and to show you guys what's happening and how life with Alphas is and what is happening. So yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting, for commenting, liking and enjoying the videos. See you on the next one. Bye.